topic, the expanded form, right? So now we're going to see the expansion. The both are same only. So now how to write in expansion and how to write in expanded form. Okay, so what's the difference here between the both? We just see. Okay, so now just see that. So if any number is given and if they are asking to write in expansion or in expanded form, so what simply we have to do? We have to multiply the face value with the place value, that we already know. So it means now let's take the number the 596. Okay, so it is 596. So now this number, what we have to do? We have to write in expansion and expanded form both. So how to write this? So first it is in expansion. So after this expansion only we will get the expanded. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? Means now see 596. So it means it is at ones place. So it is in tens place and it is in hundreds place. So now if you write like multiplying the face value with the place value, so it means 5 into 100, okay, plus what is the next number? 9. So it is in which position? Tens position. So it means 9 into 10 plus, so 6 is in which position? It is in ones place. So it is in a ones place means we have to multiply with 6 into 1. So this is, if you write like this, it is nothing but what? Expansion. After multiplying, if you write, it is nothing but expanded form. So it means 5 into 100, how much it is? It is 500. Plus, what about next? 9 into 10 is how much it is? 90. Plus, what about 6 into 1? It is nothing but 6. So this is what? An expanded form. This is what? An expansion. So both are same only. Okay. So depend on the question. If he is asking expansion means we have to write like this. If he is asking an expanded form means we have to write like this. Okay. So see a few examples for the expansion and expanded. Okay. So now let's take the another one. So I am just taking the number is 608. Okay. So now how to write in expansion? So now see, this is a 1 0 because here 0 into 10, it is nothing but how much? 0. So now let's see one more number. I am just taking a 4-digit number. So now how you will write this number in expansion? So here we have a 4-digit number. So it means it is a ones place. So it is a tens place and it is an 100 place. And what about this one? It is a thousands place. So now how we will write in expansion? So 8 into, what is that? 1000. Right. So what about next one? So hundreds, right? So it is a 1 into 100. What about next one? 2 into tens, right? So 2 into 10 plus, what about last? 7 into ones place. So it means 7 into 1. So this is expansion. Now we will write in expanded form. So 8 into 1000. So it is nothing but how much it is? 8000. What about next? So 1 into 100. It is nothing but how much it is? 100. Okay. So see the next. So 2 into 10. So what is that? It is 20. And what about last? 7 into 1? It is nothing but 7. So 8000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 7. So this is what? An expanded form. Okay. So like this we can write in expansion and we can write in expanded form. So what we did, we written like this is a face value. The face value we multiplied with the place value. Okay. So thousands means what? It is a place value where this number in which position, that is saying the place value. Okay. So and what number is there? It is nothing but face value. So we multiplied the face value with the place value. So like this we have to convert any number into the form of expanded form. Okay, so see the next topic. Yes, so we done with the expanded and the expansion. Okay, so after the expansion only, what we will get? An expanded form. Just simply multiplying and writing, that is nothing but expanded. So whatever we are taking the face value and place value, it is nothing but what? It is an expansion. Okay. So now see the exercise 1.2. So now, yeah, see the exercise 1.2. Yes, so exercise 1.2, the first question is that, okay, so it is related to the round off and an expansion or expanded form. Okay, now see what is the first question. Round off the following numbers to the nearest tens. So we have to round off to the, so round off to the nearest tens. Okay, so we are round offing to the nearest tens. So nearest tens. So the first question, it is 89. Okay, so the second one, 415. We will write the questions. Afterwards, we will do the problems. Okay, so next 3951, and the fourth one, it is nothing but 4409. Okay, so now what we have to do? We have to round off to the nearest tens. So it's very simple, we already know. If you want to round off to the nearest tens means, so first 89 means it is between which two numbers? It is between 80 and 90. Right. So it means where it is 89, definitely 89 after 90, so it is near to 90 only. So the difference here, it is how much? 9, and the difference here it is 1. So which is less? 1 only. It means what is the nearest tens here now? So it is nothing but 90. So answer is what? So if you round off to the nearest tens, so answer is it is 90. Now see the second question. So 415. Now this 415, what we have to do? We have to round off to the nearest 10. So how to round off to the nearest 10s he is asking. So it means we have to look only 15. So 15, where it is lies? It is lies between the 400 and, sorry, so it is lies between which tens we are taking, na? So it is lies between, so 10 and 20. So now what is, where it is exactly? Here middle. So it means the difference here 5 and the difference here 5. So if both have the same difference, if it is lies exactly in the middle, then what we have to do? We have to take the next number. So the 15 after whichever 10 is coming, that only we should take. So it means what is the answer now? So answer, the nearest tens, it is nothing but 420. Right? So I think understood. So now see the next question. So here third question, it is a 4-digit number. But he is asking only round off to the nearest tens only. If he is asking to round off to the nearest tens means, what are the numbers are there here? So tens position, it is a 5 and 1. So 51 we have. So 51 means the 51 where it is lies. So it is lies between 50 and 60. Right? So it is lies between the 50 and 60. So which is near to 50 only, because of 50 after we are going to get the 51. So it means now the difference is how much here? 1. And what about here? The difference is 9. So between the 50 and 51 the difference is 1, and the between 51 and 60 the difference is 9. So 9 is more. So it means what is the value nearest to 51? So it is nothing but 50. So it means what is the answer here? So it is nothing but 3950. Okay. So now see the next one. Yes. So see the next one. What is that? So 9 we have. So nearest tens position means it is we have 0, 9. It is nothing but what? 0, 9 means 9 only. So now we have to see 0, 9. It is nothing but between which two numbers? It is between So 0 and 10 only. Okay, but it is, we are round offing to the nearest 10. So if you round off to the nearest 10 means 9 after 10 only. So the definitely the round off of the 4409, it is nothing but what? 4410. Okay, so because after the 9 we are going to get 10, so that is nothing but is asking the question is also we have to round off to the nearest tens. So that is the reason 4410 is the answer. So like this we have to round off to the nearest tens. Okay, now see the second question. The second question, it is the round off the following numbers to the nearest hundreds. Okay, the second question what is asking? We have to round off to the nearest hundreds. Now see how to round off to the nearest hundred. The tens is the first one, and the next we have hundreds. The next we have thousands. Okay, so now see the second question. So we have to round off to the nearest hundreds. Okay, so the first question in the second bit, the first one it is a 695, and the second one it is a 36,152, and third one, so it is 13,648. So fourth question, it is nothing but 93,618. Okay, so these questions are given. Now what we have to do? We have to round off to the nearest hundreds. Hundreds we have to round off. So it means, so hundreds means, so 695 means, yes, it's a 3-digit number, hundreds position we have 6. So it means the 695 is lies between which two numbers? It is lies between 600 and 700, right? And where the 695 will come? It is near to 700 because the difference is less. See now 600 to 695, what is the difference? 95 is the difference. But the 695 to 700, what is the difference? 5 only. So which is near? The 700 is near. So it means if you round off to the nearest hundreds, so what you will get? 700. Okay, now see the second one. So what is that? If you want to round off to the nearest 100, so it means we have to take only the number 152 because we are round offing to the nearest 100 only. So 152 is the number you should take. So 152 lies between which two numbers? So 100 and 200. So the between 100 and 152, the difference is 52, and the between 152 to 200, the difference is how much? It is a 48. So which is less? 48 is less. So it means what you will get number? So 36,200 is the answer. Okay, so the nearest hundreds, it is nothing but 36,200. Okay, so now see the third question. So we have to round off to the nearest 100. So it means what is their number here? 648 is the number. Now we have to round off this. So 648 is lies between which two numbers? So 600 and 700. So where this 648? So 648 it is near to 600 because the 600 and 648 the difference is 48, and the 648 to 700 the difference is how much you will get? So you will get so 52 is the difference. So which is less here? 48 is less. So it means what is the answer? The nearest 100. So it is nothing but, so 13,600 is the answer. Okay, so now see the fourth question. So 93,618 is given. So 618 we are round offing to the nearest hundreds. So we have to take the 3 digits last. So 618. So 618 is lies between which two numbers? It is lies between the 600 and 700. So and 618 means what? It is near to 600 only. So it is near to 600 means, so definitely, so what the answer you going to get? So 93,600 we will get, because if you see the 600 to 618 the difference is 18, but 618 to 700 the difference is more, right? So what is the answer? 93,600. So like this we have to round off to the nearest hundreds. Okay, so first question we round off to the nearest tens. The second question is asking to round off to the nearest hundreds. Okay, so the next we will see the third question is asking about round off to the nearest thousands. Okay, we just round off to the nearest thousands. Okay, so what is that? So we have to round off to the nearest. Okay, so nearest thousands. Okay, so third question. Yes, so round off to the nearest thousands. See the questions what are given. So 3415 is the first one, and the second one 70,000. So 124, and the third question is given. So 88,765. Okay, the fourth question is given 4001. It's very simple questions. So because we already know how to round off in numbers in the tens place, hundreds and thousands. Now if you want to round off to the nearest thousands, so thousands means what here? So it means we have to take the total number. It is a 4-digit number, right? So it means 3415. So it is definitely, it is lies between which two numbers? So 3000 and 4000. So because we are round offing to the nearest thousands, so it means we have to take thousands. Whenever we round offing to the tens means we took 10, 20, 20, 30 like that we took. So it means tens we have to take. So here whenever we are round offing to the hundreds means what you have to do? 100 to 20, 200 to 300 like that we took, right? So here we are round offing to the thousands, so you have to take, so this number is lies between which two numbers? 3000 and 4000. So now the 3415, it is definitely near to which number? 3000 only, because the difference between 3000 and 3415, it is nothing but 415. Right, if you subtract these two, definitely it's 415 is a difference. What about the difference between the 4000 and 3415? So it is more than 415. So how much you will get? So 585 you will get. Okay, so 585 we are getting. So it is more than 415. So that is the reason. What is the answer here now? So it is nothing but, so 3000, because it is near to 3415. What about now this question? Now if you see carefully, so what is the 4-digit number here? It is nothing but 0124. So 0124 lies between which two numbers now? So it is now, if you see, it is 0124, it is not a 4-digit number, it will become a 3-digit number. Then how you will round off to the nearest thousands now? So how you will round off? See, so you have to take, it is between the 0 and directly to the 1000, because we are round offing to the thousands. So that is the reason we are taking here 0 is there, that is the reason we are taking 0 to 1000. So somewhere it is 0124 means it is nothing but 124. So 124 somewhere it is near to 0 only, because this difference. Okay, so now if you want, you can, if you confusing means you can take 4 zeros here, that is between these numbers only. So 124. So 124, the difference it is 124. So this difference if you see, so it is around, how much we going to get? So 900 change we will get. So it means, so which is near here now? 0 only near. So it means, what is the answer you will write now? So the answer is nothing but 7000, because it is near to 0. So just simply what you have to do, you have to write 7000. Okay, so don't confuse. If he is asking to hundreds means, yes, you will write it is 70,100, but he is asking nearest, sorry, it is 70, so one more 0 will come. Okay, so it is nothing but 70,000, because we are round offing to the nearest thousands. So nearest 1000, it is between, it is near to 0. So that is the reason we just writing it is 70,000. So now see the next number. Yes. So what is that? 8765. So 8765 we have to round off to the nearest 1000. So it is a 4 digit, so compulsory. So what we can take now, it is lies between 8000 to 9000 between only, right? So it is lies between 8000 and 9000. So where this number will come? So definitely it is near to 9000 only, because the difference is less here. So what is the difference you will get here now? So you will get 235. Okay, so if you subtract this both, you will get 235 is the number. So 235, and here the difference is how much now? It is 765. So which is less here? 235 is the less. So it means it is near to which number? 9000. So it means, so what is the answer now? So 9000. So I think you understood. Now see the next question. So 4001. So definitely seeing the question only you can write directly the answer. So 4001 means it is lies between 4000 and 5000. So 4000 after only 4001 will come. So it is near to which number? So definitely 4000. So it means, so if you round off to the nearest thousands means what you will get here? You will get 4000. Okay. So the first problem we discussed about the round off to the nearest tens, and now the second one we discussed the nearest hundreds. The third one it is nearest to thousands. Okay. So like this we have to round off any number. Okay. So based on the question. Yes, see the fourth question in exercise 1.2. So we completed how to round off the numbers. So it means the next two problems we have and based on expanded form and expansion. Okay. So now see how you write in expanded form or expansion. See the fourth question. Yes. So he is asking the fourth question, that is write the numbers in a short form. So writing the numbers in a short form or standard form, both are same only. Okay. So just you have to write in a short form. So see the first question, what is that? So 3000 plus 400 plus 7. So what about second one? So it is 10,000 plus 2000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 1. So what about third one? So it is a 30,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 5. So now we have to write, one more is there. So how we have to write? So we have to write in a short form. The short form or standard form, both are same only. Okay. The standard form. Okay. So now how you will write in a standard form or short form? So directly what we will do, just add these all the numbers. So what you going to get now if you add all? So 3000 plus 4000 plus 7. So we will get, it is 3407. So this is what in a short form. Okay. So now the given question is in expanded form. So we written into standard form or short form. Okay. So like this we have to write, just simply we have to add the numbers, that's it. Okay. So now what about the second one? If you see, the 10,000 is given and the 2000 is given and the 300, 50 and 1. Okay. So now you have to write in a standard form or short form. So how you will write? Just add them, or else directly simply see here 1. So it is in thousands only now. After 10,000 we get before number, that is thousands only. So what is the number here? 2. Next 3. Next 5 and 1. So it is nothing but, what is the answer you will get? So 12,351. So this is the answer. So like this we have to write in a short form or standard form. So now see the last one. So 3000 plus 500 plus 220 plus 5. Now if you see, so 3000, so it means 3. So thousands before we will get 100. So it means 5. Next 2, the last it is 5. So it means if you write the third answer in a short form, what we got? So 3525. Either you can add, or if you familiar with the numbers, see 3000, then if you add, then definitely here 3 first and then 5, then 2, then 5. Simply, okay. So you can also write like this. So this is what now, if it is given in expanded form, how to write in a short form. Okay. So now, if it is given in a standard form, the one more question is there, that you just try the same like this only. Now see the fifth bit. What is that? You have to write in expanded form. So this is what, in expanded form to short form. Now we have to write the short form to expanded form, or standard form to expanded form. So the first question, it is a 4348, and the second one, so 30,214, and third one, it is 22,222. Okay. So these numbers, and one more is there, so that is 75,025. So these all we have to write in expanded form. So how you will write? So the face value we have to multiply with the place value. So it means, so ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So 4 into 1000. So it is nothing but how much you will get directly we will write. So 4 into 1000, it is a 4000. Next 300. Next 40. Next plus 8. Okay. So like this we have to write in expanded form. What about this one now? So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So it means 3 into 10,000. So it is nothing but you will get 30,000. Okay. So simply you can remember how many numbers is there afterwards, that many zeros you have to keep. Next 0 is there. So 0 simply. Next 2 into 100. So it means 200. Next 10 plus 4. So like this we have to write in a expanded form. What about this one now? So 2, after 2 how many digits we have? 4. So it means 4 zeros you just take. Next 2, how many digits we have? 3 we have. So next 2, how many digits we have? 2 we have. Okay. So next 20 plus 2. So like this what we have to do? We have to write, if it is given in a standard form or short form, we have to write in expanded form. So here expanded to short form. Okay. So the remaining topics we will continue in the next class. Okay. So today whatever we discussed about the expansion and expanded form. Okay. So in the before class we completed the estimation and rounding offs. Okay. So it means, so we are done with exercise 1.2. So next class we will start the another topic.